In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show archived projects in Todoist. If you've been using Todoist for a while, you've probably created projects for all kinds of things: work, personal goals, school, side hobbies, and more. Over time, some of those projects become completed or irrelevant, so you archive them to keep your main project list clean and focused. But at some point, you might want to bring one of those projects back, review what you did, or reuse its structure. That's when you need to know how to quickly see your archived projects. Let's walk through the process step by step in a simple and clear way. First, open Todoist on your device. This can be the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The layout may look slightly different, but the basic idea is the same. Once Todoist is open, look for the section that lists all of your projects. This is usually on the left side of the screen, called My Projects or simply Projects. Go ahead and click on My Projects. This is your main hub where all your active projects are displayed. You might see folders, sub-projects, or color-coded labels, depending on how you organize things. Right now, you're only seeing the projects that are currently active and visible in your day-to-day workflow. To view the projects you've archived, you'll need to access the filter or view options associated with this project list. Look near the top or within the project section for an option that lets you change what is shown. Here, you'll want to choose the option that says something like Archived Projects Only. Click on that. As soon as you select Archive Projects Only, Todoist will refresh the project list and hide your active projects, showing only the ones that have been archived. This view makes it easy to scroll through your past projects without clutter from anything that's currently in progress. From here, you can click into any archived project to review its tasks, see what you completed, or reuse information. Depending on your Todoist version, you may also have options inside each project to unarchive it if you want to bring it back to your active list. That's all there is to it. Click on My Projects, then choose to show Archived Projects Only. Once you know where this option lives, it becomes a quick way to revisit your past work and keep your current workspace neat and focused.